Okay, here we go. We're preparing this beautiful coral trout that we caught just today.
Every day. Then what happened is the world body decided to ban ivory.
Okay, so first I'm going to start scaling this puppy. I'm just using a conventional dinner knife. You can use a scaler, but this works just fine. Okay. We caught this coral trout in about 50 feet, 15 meters of water, just off of Mission Beach in Australia's 1,500 kilometer long, absolutely spectacular, bucket list must-see Great Barrier Reef. So this is a fairly involved process to make this by hand from scratch. Almost everyone that I encounter will fillet this beautiful fish, as you can see, which to me is, it's an absolute travesty. The most delicious bits are, in fact, the bits. So you'll see us consume everything, including the eyeball, the fins, the cheeks, and including my favorite part, which is the lips. Yeah, I mean, scaling a fish, I don't know. I find it oddly meditative. I mean, look at that. Look at the color on that amazing animal. One of the reasons why this fish is so prized and is something that you'll find at a banquet in Hong Kong or a wedding in Singapore or someone's birthday gathering in Jakarta is that it has a very fluffy white flesh with tons of beautiful gelatinous joints and mid joints. The skin is absolutely delectable. And here you go. And again, because we're consuming the entire animal, it's not really an option to sort of skate through this. I mean, I'm getting fish scales everywhere. And I'm doing this for 3 of these fish, which means that it's a 20-minute process for each fish. But I'm not optimizing for convenience. I'm doing this because I'm trying to, honor this beautiful animal. So we're going to steam it, and we've got some of our own homegrown ginger rhizomes right here. They look like this once they've been peeled. Hi, how's it going? Oh, I'm vlogging right now. So a lot of people do not do this. They do not scale the fish because they just fillet it, which, you just take a knife and then you just cut along the bone and then you're done, right? Especially if you discard the skin. But look at how beautiful that fish is. This is like the apex predator on the reef. Yeah, in the coral. Yeah.
You caught this today?
Yeah, we caught this today. Yeah. So we're gonna do these 2 steamed, and then I'm gonna do another one in steaks that we can. We'll probably won't eat that one till tomorrow, but do that. And then these 2 of the tuna family, we're gonna smoke, get the wood chips and get that started. Yeah, please. Please. These are the apex predators. So one of the reasons why these are prized and they are extra expensive in the markets is that you can't net catch these. These have to be line caught. For most people, the most delicious meat is actually the cheek. Which, on these, on most fish,
here?
in here. But this fish in particular, I don't normally I don't go out of my way to eat the head, but this fish, I love the head.
What do you mean by like
You just like scoop it out and suck it like
like
that.
raw?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, not raw, but I mean eating the head for this fish it's the best. There were these huge, I'll show you the video, but there were these huge schools of albacore, scad, bonito, something. And we were actually just chasing some of the birds, which are chasing the bait fish, which these guys are chasing. The bird life becomes a proxy for where the school is moving. I'll just put that on there. I'm just scoring it, and then I'm going to put some ginger inside of these little incisions. So we just insert the ginger in here, like so. Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
It really, really does. How did you learn how to do this?
This is just like, I don't know, I guess in Hong Kong, this is kind of a more basic skill. I mean, so this is coral trout part deux. This guy is a similar size, maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah. Again, beautiful. But you see the coloration.
Yeah, what happened there?
You know, it's like little albino,
Yeah.
like coloring. You know, you can see that. Yeah. So later on, you'll see those lips. Look at those lips. That's like nature's best collagen right there.
Really?
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh my
It's
God,
like
don't tell me that.
I might
Clé de Peau or whatever the expensive brand. They have nothing on this collagen.
That's not my team, like the one that call it
Literally, this is like nature's best collagen right here.
What a treasure trove,
Right?
Jason.
Okay, no, seriously.
That's incredible.
Dead serious. Yeah, so here we go. We're just making some progress here. Slowly but surely. Yeah, you've really got to get into these little bits here. We're almost done here with this guy. We're just trying to be extra thorough. Again, when you eat the whole fish, the last thing that you want, just as you tuck into a beautiful piece of the pectoral fin, is a taste of coral trout scale. All right. We're going to dry this guy off. Going to score. Add some ginger. Our homegrown ginger. And don't be shy with it. All right, so here we are. We're done. The end result. I'm going to steam these puppies up shortly.